Good morning, everyone. So we in previous videos, we created so many earrings design. You can see here we created flower, geometric earrings, heart, and mandala earrings. But I wanted to talk about how to save these earrings for selling. So like here, like in my shop, there are so many earrings and I sell them as, you can see, SVG, DXF, PNG, JPEG and EPS files. You can see here. So when customer buy that, they can, like one of these customers, they have made these earrings fine as a final product, and it is found now these earrings are in their shop. So how to finally save these earrings as a final product and how to save them properly, so when somebody buys it and cuts it, like here, this is the final product, you can see. So they will not have any problem. You can see here, if customer wants any improvement, we can always do that, but how to save them as SVG, DXF, PNG file, number one, and how to do a quality control. This is what I wanted to show you. So we will save an earring. I never save directly from the file I have built. So now I will show you how like this earring we created. This is a pretty complicated design, so I'll show you how I will save this earring for now. First of all, I will look at this file and like remove it and put it on an empty layer. You can literally make a new layer just to see what is going on. So there is nothing on this layer, and now I'm going to put this earring. This is the only object on this layer right now, you can see here, and I'll zoom in. So it is very important to check this file before saving. Now if I select this file, you can see it is a compound path. For cutting machines you need compound path. Now if there is something else for some reason here, like a ellipse or a line, so if you are going to somehow they go to your final file, it will be a big problem for the final cutting file. So always check that the file you are saving, it's the only file which you are taking to your new document, and it has no extra parts or any other thing which can cause problems. So what I'm going to do is again select this object, expand, unite, and change it to a compound path, just to make sure that this is the only thing on this layer and this is a compound path. Now what, I never save this from this file. This is my personal choice because I want to sell very clean files, clean and with no impurities. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a new file, and as I said again that these earrings are, again I'll show you, are 2 inches into 2 inches wide or tall. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new file, and I work in inches. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new artboard with 2.5 inches tall and 2.5 inches wide, and I'm going to choose color mode, which is RGB, and again high 300 ppi resolution, so it is a nice crisp clean file. So, and I will bring up the ruler, so you can see it is a 2.5 inch wide and tall file here. Now you can see there is nothing on this file, this is new. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my earring file, Control C and Control V. on this layer panel, I can see the only thing I have is this file. I'm going to align it to the center of the artboard so it is right in the middle, and then it is a nice clean file. There is nothing. The only time when customer will use it in a cutting machine, the only thing which is present in this file is this earring object design. Now what are we going to do is we are going to go to file, save as. I'm going to save it as a SVG on my desktop, Mandala earrings, and I'm going to say -2-1, and I'm going to select SVG and I'm going to save it. I'm going to change nothing and save it. Now you can see here on my desktop I have this mandala earring, and it opened itself into a browser. Now you can see my mandala earring is here on my desktop, and I'm going to now check this SVG into Cricut Design Space just to see and to make sure that this is working in this space. So I'm going to open my Cricut Design Space and I'm going to open a new project and hit upload. From here you can see upload and upload image and browse. It is on my desktop and I'm going to open it. Now upload and then select again insert image in the working area. Here you can see, and I'm going to change the color so you can see the cut lines easily. First of all, it is opening it properly. The design, how I built it, it is there. All the areas which are needed to be cut are there. There is no extra lines or extra things going around. I can make it a little bit larger so you can see the design. Now you can see this is now pretty big for I just wanted to show you that look at these lines. These are clean, crisp, quality lines. And if I say make it, and then you can see it took this design on this Cricut mat, and all design lines here are good. There are no extra parts. It will cut beautifully. So if I hit continue, it will start cutting the design. But this is how I save my SVG design and check it in Cricut Design Space. This is I wanted to share with you, and for this design file it is present on my shops, Etsy, Creative Fabrica, or you can buy this from design bundles if you want. But this is how I save my final designs into an SVG ready to go for the cutting softwares like Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Design working area. This file will work nicely. Thank you.